Ganjang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make royal stir-fried rice cake, 궁중떡볶이. Tteokbokki is very popular Korean food, and when you imagine tteokbokki, maybe red and spicy color would come up. But today I'm gonna show you the other style. This dish traditionally served in the royal court is non-spicy tteokbokki because it's made without red pepper paste. So it's often called Ganjang tteokbokki, soy sauce tteokbokki as well. Okay, then let's set the table. First, blanch the rice cake in boiling water for 1 minute. In a bowl, put rice cake and coat with soy sauce and sesame oil. And prepare the beef and pan it dry with a paper towel to remove excess blood. After that, mix all ingredients of marinade. In a bowl, add soy sauce, sugar, minced garlic, sesame oil, toasted sesame seeds, and ground black pepper. Mix well. Then add a half amount of marinade to the beef and mix well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. During the time, slice the shiitake mushrooms, carrot, and onion. Then preparation is over. Heat the oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Stir-fry the beef for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add rice cakes and keep stir-frying. And add shiitake mushrooms, carrots, and onions. Stir-fry well for 3 minutes more. Adjust the taste with the remaining marinade because the salty taste differs from each soy sauce you have. When it's done, turn off the heat and transfer to the plate. Sprinkle with sesame seeds or pine nuts. It smells so good. Okay, let's dig in. Yay! It's so savory and tasty. Have you heard about Japchae? Korean stir-fried glass noodles and vegetables. It tastes very similar, and it tastes similar to bulgogi as well. There is a perfect balance between soy sauce and ingredients. It's so good. And you know, it's not spicy at all, as you see. So kids will love it, and people who don't like spicy food will love it. And there is a various nutrients just in one dish, like carbohydrates and protein and fiber. So it can be a very well-balanced meal. Today I made 궁중떡볶이. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.